Hi everyone, and welcome back to Reeta Soul Food. Today we're cooking a really yummy plum crumble. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and share with all your friends and family. Hit the bell notification for more recipe alerts. So let's get started. For this recipe I've used 11 plums. You can use more or less depending on how many you're cooking this dish for. So chop that up. It doesn't have to be particularly neat. We'll be cooking it down anyway. So into a pan, put some butter and let that melt down. We can go in and add the chopped plums and then give that a good mix around so it can start to cook. I've just added 3 teaspoons of sugar. Cinnamon powder is completely optional, but I've added about a tablespoon's worth here. So I'm letting this cook down for about 15 minutes until we can see that the fruit is really cooking down nicely. So you can see that it's reduced down and we've got a beautiful sauce. We're now ready to create the crumble mixture. So essentially we need double the amount of plain flour that we've got to butter. So here I'm just squishing and squashing the bits of butter into the flour and keep going until we get almost like a breadcrumby kind of mixture and it's all kind of mixed up. Half a cup of sugar here just to add a bit of crunch and sweetness to our crumble mixture. So put the cooked plums onto a baking tray. Evenly sprinkle our crumble mixture. Let this cook in a preheated oven at 250 for about 30 minutes or until it's golden on top.
Thank you so much for watching, and let me know other desserts that you'd like me to cook for you.
you.